So you might be in a situation where for some reason your PowerPoint file is just not opening. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, maybe you're trying to go ahead and open up your PowerPoint file, but no matter what you do, that file is just not opening. The very first thing I'd recommend kind of going through and doing is just going through and restarting PowerPoint. So just go through, close out of PowerPoint completely, give it a few seconds, go ahead and power it back on, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. For a lot of people, that might just end up doing it for you, and that's exactly what I recommend doing. You might also want to double check that PowerPoint file. So in this case, I already have it open, but that file that you have wherever your PowerPoint file is, you just want to go ahead and open it up, and all you want to do is just verify that that particular file is perfectly working and it's in good condition. Sometimes that file or that file location, it may not be accessible to wherever you're trying to open up that file with. So just kind of keep that in mind. That's another very big thing. Now, another thing, the file might be corrupted. So if you're clicking on file up here, and if you're clicking on like open or opening up a file, you might want to go through and just make sure that that particular file is actually opening up like that actual file. You want to make sure that it's not going through and like causing issues when you're opening it up. If the file itself is corrupted or it's giving you problems, you might have to go through and you might have to go basically re-download that file, try opening it up a different way, because that could be another issue that you might be running into as well. Now, you might want to also see if you can open it up in a different website, or you're able to open it up online in the platform like this, or you're able to go through and kind of open it up a different way. That could be another thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about too, because doing it this way may not be the best idea in my personal opinion. You might want to open it up in like Google Slides or something. So those are just kind of a couple ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.